Hello friends, welcome to English Emperor Lab 2.0. Today, we will learn English by listening to a beautiful story. The story is called The Journey of Arjun, a boy who never gave up. So, let's begin. There was a boy named Arjun. He lived in a small village in India. His family was very poor. His father was a farmer and his mother worked in the fields. Arjun was a dreamer. He wanted to study and become a teacher, but life was not easy for him. Every morning, Arjun woke up early. He helped his father in the field. After that, he walked 5 kilometers to school. He had no shoes, only old slippers. But he never complained. In school, some children laughed at him. They said, "Look at Arjun, he is so poor." But Arjun did not care. He believed, "One day, I will prove myself." One evening, when Arjun came home, his father said, "Son, we cannot pay your school fees anymore." Arjun's heart broke. But he did not give up. He started working after school. He carried water, cleaned shops, and helped people in the village. With the small money he earned, he paid his fees. Slowly, he continued his studies. Years passed. Arjun finished school with good marks. He wanted to study in the city, but his parents said, "We have no money." Arjun smiled and said, "Don't worry, I will find a way." He took a small bag and went to the city. The city was very big and strange for him. He had no friends, no house, and no food. Sometimes he slept on the railway station. Sometimes he ate only a piece of bread. But Arjun never stopped learning. He joined a small library. He read books every night. He wrote notes and practiced English. One day, he met an old teacher in the library. The teacher saw his hard work. He asked, "Son, what is your dream?" Arjun replied, "I want to study, and I want to become a teacher." The old man smiled. He said, "I will help you." From that day, Arjun worked as an assistant to the teacher. In return, the teacher guided him and paid his school fees. Arjun studied harder than ever. He worked in the morning and studied at night. He faced many failures, but he never gave up. After many years, Arjun finally became a teacher. He returned to his village. The people were surprised. The same boy they once laughed at was now a respected man. Arjun opened a small school in the village. He taught poor children for free. He said to them, "Never give up. If you work hard, you can change your life." Moral. The moral of the story is simple. Hard work, honesty, and patience always bring success. Arjun's journey teaches us that no matter how poor you are, no matter how many problems you face, you should never give up on your dreams. Thank you for listening to English Emperor 2.0. Today, you heard the story of Arjun, the boy who never gave up. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some English. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye.